Hey, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de and I'm in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress 2018, and I'm here at the ASUS booth and we're having a look at the new ASUS Zenfone 5. So let's check it out. So let's start with the highlight of the Zenfone 5, and that is of course the display. The size is 6.2 inch and the resolution is 2246 pixels by 1080 pixels. And with a screen to body ratio from 90%, you can see that it has almost no bezel. Like the iPhone X, it has the notch, but you can see that the upper left and right part of the display are bigger, so ASUS can fit more information in it. The brightness is 500 nits and the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Inside the smartphone, there's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. Of course, you can expand that with a micro SD card. The battery has a capacity of 3300 mAh and the operating system is Android 8.0 Oreo together with the ASUS ZenUI 5.0. The main camera at the back is a dual camera with 12 megapixel Sony IMX363 sensor, and one of the cameras has a wide angle of 120 degrees, so that's pretty cool, especially when you're traveling, so it fits more into the picture. And in my opinion, wide angle is more important than zoom. The aperture is 1.8. The front camera has a resolution of 8 megapixel and an aperture of 2. AI is also important for ASUS, so they have a few AI features like AI ringtone, which is pretty cool because depending on your environment, the ringtone will be louder or more quiet. So if you're just in a quiet room, the ringtone will not be as loud as if you're in a party or so. With AI charging, it will charge the smartphone so that the battery will last longer. And also the camera has 16 scenarios that will be set up if you take a photo to get a better result. Together with the Zenfone 5, there was also the Zenfone 5Z, the high-end version. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, together with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. The rest of the specs are the same like with the Zenfone 5. The Zenfone 5 will come out in Germany end of Q2 2018 for €399, and the Zenfone 5Z will come out beginning of Q3 2018 for €599. If you have any questions about these smartphones, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.